Today we are in Rio Cales weather forecast, and we have a special guest, and she is Africa Gideon. Hi Africa, how are you?
I'm so happy to be here. Thanks for the invitation.
You're welcome. So Africa, what do you have to explain us?
I will have to explain us the weather forecast of Galicia those days.
Come on Africa, you can start.
Today we have a sunny day in all Galicia with high temperatures, but the night might be colder than last days.
How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow we will have temperatures about 20 degrees and a sunny day.
When will we have the rest of the week?
We will have the next day, we will have a hot temperature than another days, but the rest of the week might be colder than the rest of the week.
And we will have any alert?
Oh yes, in the coast of Lugo, we will have an alert of dangerous storms and high waves.
Thank you, Africa. I hope to see you another time.
The same. See you next week.